Hello there. I've taken the contents out of the box. It's a powerful torch, it is. A 5000 lumen flashlight. It's quite powerful. And there's the actual flashlight. It's 5.5 inches long. It's a good weight in it, and it's powerful. If you can see the LEDs on the front there, there's 12 of them. I still got the protective cover on it, on the screen there, but you can see there's 12 LEDs in there. And it's Chinese, made in China, and it's fully machined. It's aircraft grade aluminium, so it's high quality. It's very high quality build. In any case, let's go on and have a look at the USB-C cable. This is how we're going to charge the flashlight up. It's a USB-C cable there. This here is a strap. If you want to hold, you can put the strap around the flashlight and use it as to hold it, you know. And they say that it actually gets hot during use, but it doesn't get hot. It gets warm. So if you happen to be using it on a cold night, or the air's cold outside, the actual torch will keep your hand warm. I found that out today, and it was quite a nice feeling, you know, keeping my hand warm, rather than having to use gloves, like. But there's there's a small booklet that comes with it. The flashlight user guide, and it tells you exactly how to use it. It's all straightforward. It's all in English, and there's not much in there, but it's everything you need to know. Now, the actual torch itself, it's got 4 different settings on it. Now, the main button is there, on, off. It's got 4 settings, and if I just give it a quick press, you can see it's powerful. I won't point it to the camera, to the lens, but you can see its power. There's more than enough power there. Now, the next one down from there is medium, low, then it's off. But if you long press it when it's off, it'll go to strobe effect. And now you can see a flashing. So that's a strobe effect. And then if you press that once, it'll go back to full power and then turn off. So it's easy to use, it's high quality. Let's have an idea of what's the weight of it. According to this, so what's it say in there? It's got 4 built-in lithium batteries inside, so it's rechargeable. Yeah, we've done that. Got the 4 settings. It's got a maximum distance. It's got a lighting distance of about 300 to 500 meters. So the 500 meters will probably be when it's on full power. It's got a working current of 2.5 amps. Charger input 100 volts to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. The reflector is aluminium smooth reflector. So it's got 4 built-in batteries. You can actually open the end up. You can open the end up there with my thumb and unscrew that end off, and you can get into the batteries. And you can actually take them out. So you can actually look inside the unit anyway. There's the box it came in. This is the box it came in. And it also came in this jiffy bag. The torch was actually inside the jiffy bag. And then it came in the parcel like that, in the box. It was well packaged. So it's well packaged. And like I say, it's the build is built in China. So, and I can say that it's a high quality build. Just feeling it in the hand, and it's also cold in the hand as well. It doesn't take, like I say, when it's actually been used, it gets warm and it keeps your hand warm. It don't get hot. I don't know why they say it gets hot. It doesn't get hot, but it does get warm, and it's very pleasant for keeping your hand warm. You know, I found that out today. Now, what else does it say in the instructions? It's got on this part here. It just tells you what the settings are on here, like on the number. It's got a number. It is got fully charged. It's 9, and when it's come down to discharging, it gets down to 1. Then it's time to think about recharging it. And I think to fully charge it from a dead battery to fully charge, you're looking at about 5 hours. 5 hours, 6 hours to fully charge. And you can use a normal charger, you know, a mobile phone charger, and you just pop that USB. You just pop that USB connector there into a standard phone charger, and away to go, you know. Just leave it charge, and then when it charges up, when it's fully charged, it will have a light on under there. Where that connector goes in there, there'll be a light. When it's fully charged, it'll be green, and while it's charging, it'll be red, just to let you know. And that's where the connector goes in. It's got a rubber flap over it, has. Now, it also says on there that it's water resistant. It's not waterproof, but it is it does have a good degree of water resistance, which is handy. You know, it's pretty good, like. But they don't advise you to go swimming with it. No, they don't advise you to go swimming with it, but it is water resistant to a point. What else we got here? It also says don't overcharge the item. Just take it to the normal 6 hours and you're fully charged. And that's about it, I think. Yeah, it's not a great deal, mind. It's straightforward to use. You take it out of the box, and you're away to go. It's already charged when you receive it. So you just take it out of the box, and it's already got a decent amount of power in it. And you can start using it from the word go. But I tell you what, it's a high quality item. I'm very pleased with the quality of it, and the power. There's plenty of power in it. I tried it out today. I recorded a separate video, which I will upload. And you get to see how powerful it is. It's a video of me going down a footpath, which is totally dark. Well, it would be without a torch. It wouldn't be able to go down there without a torch. But with this torch, nothing's out of the way, you know. So you can go anywhere. You can go any dark road with this. Any dark road anywhere, really. Nothing is out of bounds. Anyway, that's my unboxing. Anyway, just a quick. I try to keep the video short, but I've covered the main points on it. I think there's nothing else. That's pretty much it. Yeah, let's have a look here. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, they do say there is one final thing. They do say that when you first use the flashlight, is to press the on button there. That's the yellow button. Press that. It's got an insulating function on there which protects the batteries for long-term use. Well, what they're saying is when you first use the flashlight, is to press that button 5 times. Press it 5 times in a 3-second period to activate the flashlight. Now, you only do that once for first time use. Once you've done that, you don't have to do it again, you know. It's just normal use then. And then if you are planning to put this torch out of use for a while, although I can't imagine why mine, because a flashlight like this will be used. You'll definitely find a use for it. They say if you are planning not to use it for a while, is to repeat that process again, where you press the button 5 times in a 3-second period, and what that does then, it sets it up so the batteries are protected if you're not going to use it for a certain period of time, you know. And anyway, I think that covers it. There is nothing else. I've gone through everything, and that is basically an unboxing of it's a Semlos. This particular one is a Semlos flashlight, powerful flashlight. It's 5,000 lumen it is, so it's a very powerful flashlight. It's not too bad as well, you know. It's quite light in the hand, and you could easily put this in a pocket or purse or bag and carry it with you, and just take it up whenever you need it, you know. Anyway, there's my that's my unboxing. Hope you liked the video. I hope you think I've covered everything. I think I have. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, consider subscribing. And keep your eyes open for the video I've recorded of the flashlight being used, you know, actually out. So you can get exactly, you'll be able to see exactly how powerful it is and what it can do, you know. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.